Secrets to turn an average salary into real wealth. You don't need to be a CEO, tech genius, or crypto millionaire to become wealthy. The truth is, most millionaires didn't inherit their money or earn six-figure salaries. They simply knew how to make the most of what they had. Yes, even an average salary can become a powerful wealth-building machine, if you know the secrets. The problem is, most people are never taught how to use their income strategically. Instead of building wealth, they build debt, habits, and lifestyles that keep them stuck. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let's explore the secrets that turn ordinary earnings into extraordinary results. 1. Live on less than you earn. No matter what, it sounds simple, but it's a golden rule most ignore. Wealth starts with a gap between your income and your expenses. The bigger the gap, the faster you grow. If you make $60,000 and spend $60,000, you're broke. But if you make $60,000 and spend $45,000, that extra $15,000 becomes your fuel. This surplus is what you use to invest, build, and grow. Without it, you're stuck in a cycle of earning and spending with nothing left over. Secret: set your lifestyle one level below your income, not at the limit of it. Let raises expand your net worth, not your lifestyle. 2. Automate your wealth plan. Most people rely on willpower to save and invest. But willpower fails. Systems don't. One of the best-kept secrets to growing wealth on an average salary is automation. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account as soon as your paycheck hits. Treat investing like a bill you must pay, not something you'll get around to. Even small amounts, $200, $300 a month, add up fast when done consistently. Over time, that habit becomes your money machine. Secret: you don't need big amounts. You need consistency. $300 per month invested for 20 years can become over $200,000 with a solid return. 3. Master the budget that builds wealth. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about intention. Track your money so you can direct it. Know where every dollar goes, and make sure some of them go toward investing, emergency savings, debt payoff, education, and skill building. The average person leaks money through mindless spending, subscriptions, dining out, gadgets. A tight budget doesn't feel restrictive when you're focused on building freedom. Secret: use the 50-30-20 rule as a base. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investing, saving. Adjust as you grow. 4. Turn every raise into wealth, not lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently kills wealth. You get a raise, and instead of investing it, you upgrade your apartment, car, or wardrobe. Your expenses rise to match your income, and you stay stuck. Wealthy people resist that urge. When their income grows, their lifestyle doesn't change much, but their net worth does. Secret: every raise is an opportunity to accelerate. Pretend your raise didn't happen, and invest it instead. 5. Invest in index funds and compound over time. You don't have to be a stock-picking genius. You just need time and a simple investment plan. Index funds, like S&P 500 ETFs, offer low fees, long-term growth, broad market exposure. Even small contributions grow exponentially thanks to compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. Secret: you don't get rich by saving, you get rich by investing early and often. Let your money do the work. 6. Build one income stream, then another. Your job is your first income stream, but it shouldn't be your only one. Today, it's easier than ever to start a side hustle or small business that builds real wealth. Freelancing, content creation, digital products, affiliate marketing, e-commerce. You don't need to quit your job. Just start something that grows over time. Eventually, these streams can cover your expenses, freeing your salary to be fully invested. Secret: wealth multiplies when you stop trading time for every dollar. 7. Use debt the smart way, or not at all. Not all debt is bad, but most consumer debt is. Credit cards, car loans, and buy now pay later schemes drain your future income. They trap you in payments and rob your investing power. The wealthy avoid or eliminate bad debt fast, and only use debt to acquire appreciating assets, like real estate or business capital. Secret: if it doesn't grow in value or produce income, don't borrow to buy it. 8. Upgrade your skills to increase income. You may start with an average salary, but you don't have to stay there. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Learn high-income skills like copywriting, coding, design, or sales. Take courses or certifications that increase your value in the marketplace. Build a personal brand that attracts clients or better jobs. The more valuable you are, the more money you can command, and the more wealth you can build. Secret: wealth grows faster when your income does. Don't just cut costs, grow your earning power. 9. Surround yourself with wealth-minded people. Your circle influences your decisions. If everyone around you spends recklessly and mocks saving, it's hard to stay on track. But if your circle talks about investing, goals, and growth, you'll be pulled upward. Secret: join online communities, masterminds, or networking groups where wealth building is normal. 10. Be patient, not perfect. Real wealth takes time. The process isn't glamorous, but it works. There will be setbacks, unexpected expenses, doubts. But if you stick to your plan, even an average salary can produce extraordinary results. Secret: you don't need perfection. You need persistence. You don't need to earn a fortune to build one. What you need is discipline, a plan, and the right mindset. The secrets are simple. Spend less than you earn, invest the rest, build multiple streams of income, avoid lifestyle creep, let time and compounding work in your favor. These aren't just strategies. They're proven pathways to financial freedom. And they work, even if you're starting with an average salary. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about what you do with what you have. So start today. Your future self will thank you. You don't need a huge income to build real wealth, just the right strategy, mindset, and discipline. If this video helped shift your perspective, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on the tools that can transform your financial future. Drop a comment below. Which secret are you going to apply first? Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, wealth is built one smart move at a time. See you in the next one.